I love dinner parties.
You love dinner. Should Country Crock go here?
All that rich, buttery taste.
Or with the green beans?
Green beans?
You love green beans.
Must have been your first husband.
You are my first husband.
Shed Spread Country Crock. Rich, buttery taste, fewer calories than regular margarine, and no cholesterol.
We're out of Shed Spread Country Crock.
Well, here's something new. Country Crock and Mini Crock.
Same rich, buttery taste?
Mm-hmm, and a third fewer calories, too.
Hey, that's 2 good reasons to eat Country Crock.
In 2 adorable new Mini Crocks.
Looks like they were made for each other.
Uh-huh, another perfect couple.
Uh-huh.